Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a card in Trello in 2024. Of course, creating a cards in Trello is very essential through anything, and like it's just like a task that you do in Trello with your workspace. So it's very essential for tracking like tasks normally and other stuff as an example. So make sure to follow by or stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Just go and type trello.com. Hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken here to this page. So here, click on login basically to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on get Trello for free. So, of course, you can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, or all even Slack if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, of course, you'll be taken here to this page where you'll find the last normally workspace that you were on. If you don't have a workspace, yes, of course, you can go and create a new one. Very easy to create. You can just go here to workspace example and create if you don't have one. Now, after that, make sure to go and create like for yourself some boards, some lists, some tasks, or basically cards. So basically, you will need to create a task or a card, as you said in the beginning of the video. To do that, you will need to create like a board first of all. So we can just go here to create, click on that create. So once we click on it, as you can see, we can choose to create a board. Why not? We can choose, of course, the background. So choose this one. You can even choose colors as example. See more colors, see more photos. It's up to you. So maybe as example, I'll choose this one. Why not? Now you'll have to choose the board title. So because I'm going to show you how to create a task, so I'll just name it tasks. Then the visibility, you can choose if you want it to be private, if you want it to show for all members in the workspace, or if you want it to be public. Anyone on the internet can see the board. So it's up to you to do whatever you want. For me, I'll just let it on workspace, then click on create. Of course, if you can just go and start with like a template that they already have. So, for example, I'll just go and show you. So click on start with the templates. They have multiple templates as you can see to choose from. If that's not enough for you, if you didn't find what you want, you can click on explore template and you'll find here maybe hundreds, maybe thousands, not thousands, but a lot of templates as you can see to choose from. So for me, I'll just go and finish as we said with this. So the picture was this one. So the board title should be tasks. And yeah, for the visibility, I'll list this on workspace. Then click on create. Once I click on create, as you can see, this is my board, or yeah, this is my tasks board. Now, the first thing that I need to do is go and create a list. So go to this list, click on here, and you'll have to get a name. Maybe as an example, because we have tasks, so I'll create three lists. One is in progress as example. So in progress. The second one is maybe waiting for review. The other one is why not choose completed. So completed is good. And I'll put this first, but anyway, like waiting for, I don't know, waiting to get started. Get started. So started like that, click on add list, and I'll put that here in the beginning. Now, as you can see, those cards is basically the tasks. So you can also create from a template, as an example, or create just a card right away and put the tasks on it. So as an example, here, this task should be create, or maybe as an example, list the products on the page. On the page. I'll put that as an example for waiting. Another task I'll put here, create a CSV file for all the products. as an example. And last task, I'll just do configure as an example, configure shipping for all as example. I don't know, for all the word as example, why not? Like that, and yeah, that should be it. Now you can just go and click on each task or each card, assign some member to do that specific task. For example, for me, I'm the only one in this workspace, so I'll just go and assign me on all of them. You can also put some labels on it, create some labels first. So, as example, maybe some important like label, maybe red, maybe something, make sure to do it fast. As an example, why not? Of course, create something like that. I'll put it on blue. And yeah, for me, I'll just put that's important. I'll create another label and I'll call it like uh, you have maybe 2 days to do this. Why not? Of course, like for the dates, you don't have even to put sales label, but I have nothing to put, so I'll just do that. Yeah, that's good to go. So I'll just go all that's important in here. As you can see, here you'll have to assign members. You can assign some labels, checklists, and dates. These dates, as I said before, you don't have to put like some labels for it because you can just put a dates. So the due dates for it. You can choose a start date and a due date, but it's up to you. Of course, you can set just the due date as a reminder, like 1 day before, not at the time of due dates, 5 minutes before, and etc. So they can get reminded. Other than that, you can add some attachments as example to the specific task. Whatever attachment you want, you can attach some picture if you want to. You can attach whatever suits you as example. So as you can see, the picture is added. You can add some custom fields. You can add some power-ups if you want to. Other than that, you can add like some buttons to automate some stuff like move to, copy card to, join card, and etc. You can move, copy by your own if you don't want it to be automated, make a template, archive, share, it's up to you. You can also link some cards. For example, I'll just name here a card test and I'll go to that card, click on share, and no, I'll just go to this specific card, click on share, I'll copy this, come here, click on this, go to description, paste that and click on save. And as you can see, now if I go to this specific task or card, and click on that, they'll take me right away to the first task. You can link like cards or tasks like that together. And yeah, that's basically how you create some tasks. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.